This came with my tractor when I bought the tractor. I bought this as part of it. I probably went over it back and forth 5 or 6 times because it's about the road's about 1.5 times the width of this. This is 6 feet and the road's probably 8 to 9 feet wide. And I would go all the way up to one end and turn around and come back all the way to the other, just simply trying to level it out. And then the best thing that you can do to make a really nice smooth road is to drag it with something very heavy and very flat. I've seen people use railroad ties before. I didn't have access to one, so I got a 16-foot steer panel that you make fences with, and put cinder block and all kinds of heavy things on it, and I drug that over it several times, and that drags out the high spots and leaves the gravel in the low spots, and it makes a pretty nice smooth road bed.